Good morning, students. I am Shweta, working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic MD Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Course is Microcontroller and Application for third semester, and program is Mechatronics. And I welcome you again for the fifth session of Unit 4, that is Applications of Microcontroller 8051. The course outcome of today's session is Interfacing of ADC with 8051 microcontroller. The contents to be covered in today's online session is about interfacing of 8051 with ADC. So along with that we will see its pin diagram and brief introduction about it and steps for converting the analog input and some algorithm we are going to see it. Let's see these contents in detail. This is the pin diagram of ADC, and the IC which we are using for analog to digital converter is ADC 0804, and this IC is of 20 pin DIP, and the few important pins of ADC are chip select, that is CS, read RD, write WR, clock in, then interrupt, and 8 data pins. Let's have a brief introduction about analog to digital converter. The analog to digital converter IC which we are using is ADC 0804. This IC is 8-bit successive approximation analog to digital converter it is. And some of its features are, it is 0 to 5 volt input voltage range, built-in clock generator, reference voltage can be externally adjusted to convert smaller analog to 8-bit resolution. This is about the brief introduction of ADC 0804. Then this is the main topic here, interfacing of 8051 microcontroller with ADC. As I said you earlier that ADC which we are using is ADC 0804, and mainly we are seeing the block diagram of this IC only, and it is interfaced with 8051 microcontroller. And in this block diagram you can able to see that we are making use of two ports of 8051 microcontroller. One is port 1 and another one is port 2. In the port 1 pins of 8051 microcontroller are connected to the data pins of ADC. Then the other important pins, as I said earlier, like read pin, write pin and interrupt pin of ADC, it is connected to 5th pin of port 2, 6th pin of port 2 and 7th pin of port 2 respectively. So first let's see the steps for converting analog input and reading the output from ADC. The steps are like this. We should make chip select low, chip select pin low, and for that and send a low to high pulse to right pin to start the conversation. Now after this step, now keep checking interrupt pin. Interrupt will be 1 if the conversation is not finished, and if once the interfacing conversation is finished, it will be low, that is 0. The algorithm for interfacing of 8051 microcontroller with ADC 0804, it goes like this. First we should configure port 1 pins to the data pins of ADC, and as I have already informed you that we are making use of port 2 pins for read, write and interrupt. And along with this, the next step what we'll do is P, that is the 6th pin, through P2.6 port send 0 to right pin. Then we should keep on watching interrupt pin continuously, then enable read pin, and the next step is read data pins from D0 to D7 on port 1, then display digital data finally. Let's see a few MCQs related to this topic. Few fill in the blanks I'm given here. ADC 0804 is dash pin DIP. I hope everyone knows this. Already we have discussed about this topic in our online session. It is of 20 pin DIP. ADC 0804 is a dash bit successive approximation analog to dash converter. And the blanks to be filled here is 8-bit successive approximation analog to digital converter. Then send a dash to dash pulse to right pin. That is from a low to high pulse to right pin to start the conversation. Next one is enable dash pin to start read operation. And you all know that the read is related to RD pin. So RD pin, RD you should write in this blank. And the few other questions are why 2 pins for ground are available in ADC 0804. The first option is for controlling ADC 0N0 and ADC 0N1 register for the controller. Second option is for controlling the analog and the digital pins of the controller. Third option is for both parts of the chip respectively. Fourth option is for isolate analog and digital signal. And the right option for this question is option D, that is for isolate analog and digital signal. And the next question goes like this: what is the function of right pin? And the first option is its active high input used to inform ADC 0804 to the end of the conversation. Second option is its active low input used to inform ADC 0804 to the end of the conversation. Third option is its active low input used to inform ADC 0804 to the start of the conversation. And the fourth option is its active high input used to inform ADC 0804 to start of the conversation. And the right answer for this question is option C, that is its active low input used to inform ADC 0804 to the start of conversation. So thank you one and all for attending this online session.